So welcome to Ujjwal channel. So today we are going to make a bat plane. So it's very simple to make a bat plane. We need a piece of paper and a big piece of paper, scissors and pencil to mark, and a scale to measure, and a sharpener to sharpen this pencil, and a stitch to do like this. Okay, so let's get started let's get start this ball. Okay, first we need to do this. Do it in the other side and fold it like this. And we need a pencil to mark. So okay, so pencil to mark. Okay, cut it. Now let's cut. Okay, so now we have to put this on the side. So now we need to do it like a diamond shape. And now so we don't need a pencil and sharpener. Put it right there. So next we need to fold it like this. Simple. I fold it and next fold it like this, and next do it a tiny bit like this. And so this is the tiny bit we will fold it like this. So I fold it like this. We need to put it to this line. Okay, done. So next we have to do it like this. One more. One. Like this. Now we need to do this put this like this. Next like this. Now we have to don't put it like in the middle. starting. So first, so we have to do this again. So, oh, oh, oh. Now put it like this. I did this show you. Now put it like this and now clip it like this. Okay, so I clipped it. So now it's done. So I'm gonna show you how it can fly. So we need to hold it right here, and if you want to hold it like this, so you can hold it like this too, but I'm gonna hold it like this. So let's go outside.
La la la.
So now let's fly this. So I think it's gonna fly. Yay! It flies. So this bird is cool. You can make it in simple detector.